Hello guys, welcome to this session. So today I'm going to be walking you through a solution that I've developed in AppSheet for restaurant POS management system, but this system can apply to any business that is in retail. We just need to change a few things for it to suit any business that is in retail sector, as long as you are selling something. So remember, in my first video I've introduced to you low-code platform development, where we said AppSheet is one of them among other like Microsoft Power Platforms. So for AppSheet is a solution that is housed in Google Cloud Platform. So as long as you have your Gmail, you have access to AppSheet. So for the small to medium enterprises that may be thinking of digitizing their business and getting rid of paper and become paperless, you may consider vying for solutions like this. It saves you time because as a manager for your business, you don't need to be in the office to see how your business is performing, because you can access your records in real time, whether on phone, on tablet, or on your laptop. Whilst you are attending your meetings, whilst you are on holiday, you can still be monitoring your business. So this is the interface where we have menu, add new order, closed orders, open orders, void orders, product category, receipts, among others. As you can see, I'm just using my Gmail here to create this. You just need the expertise to do so. So this is the interface for creating an order, and I'm going to show you the backend as well as technologies and tools that are supporting this development. So firstly, this solution is sitting on AppSheet, which is a Google Cloud Platform. Then we have Google Docs, which is housing our receipt. So we create a receipt template, and the system will automatically populate items here. Then we have the database. So the database is one of the most important concepts here, because as you can see here, we have the menu, which is holding maybe the photos and the product details, then the product categories. So this is a normalized database for those who are familiar with database design. Then we have customers. So in customers here, you can even do your marketing intelligence when you can capture customer details like phone numbers and emails for marketing purposes. Then this one is not working at the moment. Then we have the orders, which are the orders that has been placed, where you are capturing the item name, the unit price, quantity, the order number. Then the order number here is an automatic number that is capturing track of the order number that has been captured here and increment. So the next time you create a new order, it will increment this. So here our last order was 2025 0000002. Okay. Then we have the Google Drive. So the Google Drive will be keeping your receipts. The moment you say close order and print, it will be stored here. So let me show you the backend. So the backend here, we have the tables. So these tables are just deriving from the Google Sheets to here. We have the add new order, closed orders, open orders, void, product category, and receipts. That's it. They are coming from here. So there are some configurations that you have to do to come up with this. And you can see here we have the three modes: mobile, tablet, and desktop. So as long as you have data, you can access this. But for the retail agents or the cashiers who will be using this app, you don't need necessarily to have data, because it just works. Then it will need data to sync maybe during day end. That's it. Then we have the views that's producing these items that you are seeing here. Then we have the actions, whether you are updating your order, you want to print receipt, we configure it here. Then we have the bot, which we are configuring to print our receipt. So we are printing the receipt when we click the close button in our sales module. Okay, then we print using this template. All right, so basically that's it. So let me demonstrate to you, maybe by creating one order. Okay, so on adding a new order, we click here. So you can confirm that the last order here was 002. So when I click create new order here, it's incrementing the order number, and the date, you don't need to put all these, they are put by the system. So depending on your preferences, either in a restaurant, it could be sitting or takeaway. So if it's sitting, you can put a table number. If it's takeaway, you can put a customer name. Maybe let's say it's takeaway, I'll put my name here as a customer. Then by default, the status will be open. Then you add your phone number. I'll just pick my phone number here and the email, then my address for my home. Right, we are creating an order. Then we click next so that we can then add the order items. Order items, you can see they are 0, which means the customer hasn't added anything to the orders. So we can start to add order items. We can say sardine beef, how many items? We need 2, and the price is calculated automatically, the total amount. We save. We add another item. You can say maybe burger and chips. We need 3 portions, 21. We save. We can add let's say fruit salad. Quantities 5. The amount will be calculated. Then we add let's say maybe sada and roadrunner chicken for 5. Then the total will be calculated, right? So you can add as many items as you want, so they will be just shown on the receipt. So it's syncing, then it's calculated the total amount of the order. So we now want to make what the settlement. So if you are in Zimbabwe, you'll see that we have many modes of payment that you can do. So here I've put cash, card, and EFT. So for EFT, it can include all the forms of electronic funds transfer, like EcoCash, like Inbox, among other forms that you can use. So we have configured it in such a way that when it's cash, the price should be the amount paid should be greater than or equal to the total amount. Because if it's cash, you may need to give someone change. But if it's card or EFT, the amount should be equal. So since it's 88, I don't think we have denominations that can go straight to 88. Maybe you give 90 and your change will be $2. So that's it, and you can see that the system is syncing here. So here we are. We now want to print the receipt. So we said to print the receipt, you should close this receipt. Whether it's in open or void, you won't be able to print. So on void, maybe you made an error and you are voiding the receipt. So on closing, when you close, the receipt will appear here and it's syncing. So you can then say view receipt. When it's done syncing, the receipt should appear on the far right side. It's here. So the receipt is the receipt number. So you can click here and open. So it should contain all the items that you have added to the order. It's loading. It's loading. Give it some few seconds. Right? This is the receipt. The price was total 88 and we used $90 and got 2 USD change. So that's it. You can go ahead and print. So we can configure this receipt to even suit on a printer size. It could be 8mm printer size in your shop. You can configure it. So you can either choose whether you are printing the receipt or not or you can just store them for record purposes. So that's it here. So here you can see the closed orders, or the orders that you have closed, and the amount and the summary for that day. The summary amount, you say you have made about $486.5 to date. Then we have the open orders. You can even use this screen to monitor dispersal of the orders to your clients to see at which time are you taking to prepare an order. And I think we have seen this in many bigger shops like KFC, where the open orders will be displayed, but this will be a cheaper version of that. Then we have the orders that will be void, maybe for other reasons. Then on the receipts, it's keeping track of all the receipts that are there. Ours is this one, and it's keeping track of everything for record purposes. So this is the one. You can see this one. Okay, so that's it. So if you go to Google Drive as well, these are the receipt. This is our receipt with the last digit 3, and the time that has been printed, it's 4:53. Okay, and if you can come to the database, you see the same receipt 003 and the order items that are there. So it's a good solution, especially if you are considering digitizing your business. It's a good one that can make your company go paperless, and also monitor your business in real time, so that you avoid sending messages to your employees to say how many sales did you made today. You can just see your sales as you are on your other work, or you are on holiday, or you are doing your sports, or you are running. You can be monitoring your business in real time. So I hope you find this interesting and useful. Thank you.